What's up, my J-Bays? And we are back with another video, y'all. Kicking it with Jay today, baby. We about to do a vlog slash story time slash creative DIY, baby. We about to do all three in one. Basically, I'm doing letters for my cousins. Yes, my little cousins. I'm doing, I think, 3 of them. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go pick up this Pandora bracelet and charms for my grandma because today we are going to my aunt's house for a Christmas party, and then tomorrow we are going to my grandma's house for the Secret Santa Christmas party. I did not know I was shaking like a stripper. I did not know this camera was shaking like a stripper, y'all. I did not know that. But yeah, that's what we're going to go do today. So I'm about to go to the mall, and then I'm going to go to Pop Shelf, get some letters, and then I'm going to do the story time of when I got scammed. And while I'm doing the story time of when I got scammed, I'm going to be painting the letters and getting everything straight for today. All right, y'all. I'm back. I got the goodies. I'm going to show my face and tell the story time, or I'm going to show the letters. So maybe I'll do both, because I want y'all to see both. Pink paint. That's all I got. Pink paint and some glitter. So, got this pink paint. And I'm not too sure which one I'm going to use yet. Or I got these from Pop Shelf for $1. All of this was for $1. My paintbrush is $1. I recommend wearing gloves because it's just easier so you don't have to wash your hands. And y'all already know paint is hard as hell to get off. Period. Stuff off. I'm not painting the back of it. I don't care about the back. I'm not painting it. So you also want to make sure that you have it on something that you don't care about. I usually have cardboard. That's what I usually do, but I don't have that right now. So I'm just going to use this, and I really don't care about it. So it was this guy that is from where I'm from, and I wanted a rug, one of them like cartoon rugs, or you could do any type of rug that you want, but it's not like an actual rug like you get from Amazon or you could get from anywhere. It's like one of them. I'll show y'all what kind of rug I'm talking about. Everything I'm going to be saying in this video, I'm going to show you. All the screenshots, all the evidence, all of that. The receipts, all of that. When I talk about it, it's going to be in the screen. When I talk about it, it's going to be in the screen. Because I have nothing to lie about. Y'all like my New York accent. Is it cute? Is it not? Okay, I don't know. But anyways, I don't lie. I hate when people lie. Okay, let me see.
Hate when people lie. Do not lie.
So, y'all, he's making rugs and things of that nature. And I'm like, okay, cool. I want me a rug made. I did not know this person, but I know of this person. Like, where I'm from, it's not a small town, but it's not a big town either, where it's me. It's people like, we follow each other on social media. Like, I might have seen him once or twice at a game or something, you know, something like that. I thought it was legit, you know. I'm thinking that it is what it is, and he posting everything. He posting his art. So yeah, I'm like, basically we DM each other, you know. I'm like, you know, I want a rug made. He like, okay, of what? I sent him the picture, all this extra stuff. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. He basically says, are you willing to make a deposit? I said, yes. You know, send me the Cash App, how you want it. He sends me his Cash App. Y'all, I sent him $70. The deposit was $70. So just imagine what the rug was. Okay, keep that in mind. I'm going to put it right here of where and how much I sent. One moment, please. I sent that deposit October 19th. 2021. This was over 2 years ago. November 3rd, 2021. I say update on rug because that's what 2 weeks. 2 weeks has went by now. Didn't get no response. I text again November 19th. So now this is a whole month later. How long does making the rug usually take? It's been a whole month. Not rushing you or anything, but I feel like I should know. He proceeds to text back and say, on some real shit, I got my whole car robbed last night, and they got everything I had.
all the materials, my gun and everything. I mean, I don't have a card or ID or social. I promise 100% whenever I get my shot back. Shit, motherfucker can't even spell. Should've known he was lying by the end, illiterate hoe. See, my bad. I'ma get your rug to you and I'ma pay you because this ain't fair. It ain't, and I feel bad as fuck. If you won't prove, I can send you the pics of the car when I walked out this morning because I don't want you to feel like I scammed you.
Okay. So let's dissect that right here. Let's dissect that. Number one, who in the fuck keep their wallet and all of that extra stuff in their car? Now, I have kept my wallet in my car because a couple of times, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not saying that I've never kept my wallet in my car before or whatever. Like, sometimes it happens, but who keeps their materials in their car? You homeless? Do you live in your car? You keeping your wallet and your materials in your car? For what? Are you stupid or something? Like, so that right there, I'm like, red flag.
Red flag.
He posts on his story, he like, catch you ever ride my car, it's up, da 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 da. You know, so I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, you know what? Maybe he did get robbed. Cause he posting it on social media and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay. Honestly, I'm like, damn, he did get robbed. You know, let me show a little bit of sympathy. Like, I don't want to make it seem like it's just about me. Cause like, if I got robbed, I wouldn't be focused on that either. I'm focused on, you know, getting my stuff straight. But at the same time, corporations and businesses get robbed every single day. It is what it is. You do what you got to do and keep on moving. Like, I didn't rob your motherfucking ass. I should have. Drop the low. Let me know. I should have at this point because you robbed me. Hell, you got robbed and you robbing me. Well, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? So yeah, y'all, I'm like showing a little bit of empathy. I'm like, you know what? Get your shit straight. Come back to me later. Do what you got to do. Because he like, oh, I promise I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. All that rah-rah shit. Whatever. Because he was lying the whole time, basically. I said, sorry to hear that. Handle what you got to handle. I hold you on that. Promise. Because, baby, okay, you got robbed, all this extra shit, but all this promising and shit, bitch, I don't do promises. Handle your motherfucking business. Big business. He said, I got you, no cap. I ain't even like that. So, y'all, remember, that was November 19th. I ain't hear a peep. Not a sound, not a squeal, not nothing. I ain't hear not nothing from this man. You telling me it take you almost 2 months to get $70? Your worth ethic is shit. You ain't no hustler, baby. You ain't hustling, motherfucker. If it take you 2 months to get $70. And I say this because I said at January 17th, 2022, this is a whole nother year. This is a whole nother year. We ain't even in 2021 no more. I said, have you gotten your materials yet? Question mark. Because like I said, it's almost 2 months later. How long does it take you? He ain't respond. No response, not a peep, not a squeak. Nowhere. January 18th, I text back, I don't want a rug anymore. I want a refund. Because at this point, baby, I ain't waiting on a rug, boo. I can go somewhere else. You need to move. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and give me my Skrilla back. Give me my money so I can go on and move on by my day. Because now I feel like I'm begging. And I ain't begging. I don't like begging for shit. I don't beg. I don't like begging. That's just not in my nature. And now sometimes I ain't too proud to beg now. But in this instance, bitch, I ain't begging, ho. Y'all think I got a response? I didn't get a peep, a squeak, a call, not a text, not a DM. Hell, he ain't have my number, so he couldn't get that anyway, ho. But anyways, I ain't getting nothing. And I'm like, at this point, I'm like, all right, you playing with me now. You playing with a real one, a real pimp killer in here. And I'm gonna have to let him know. So I said, it's very unprofessional for you not to hit me back about the rug. It's been 2 months since you claimed you was robbed. And I said claim, because baby, at this point, I don't it. You Santa. And I'm 10 years old. Bitch, I don't believe. You ain't coming down the chimney. We ain't got no chimney. You ain't coming down one. Bitch. And then I said, I told you I was going to hold on to your word about getting back to me dealing with the rug. No response. Oh, honestly, I want $70. Give me my money. That's what I want. I want my money. I don't want no damn rug. You keep the fucking rug. You probably ain't made the goddamn rug yet. I don't want it. I want my money, honey. That's what I want. My skrilla, my money. I want it. That's what I want. Y'all think he said something back to me? He ain't say nothing. He ain't say nothing back. Quick intermission.
This is what the letter is looking like so far. Cute, cute, cute.
Now I feel like he playing on my top at this time. So now I'm like, you know what? Since you don't want to answer these DMs, let me tell you something. I do not like being ignored, especially when the issue is not that serious. Like, I don't like, that's why I feel like he's scamming me, because I'm like, oh, okay, you playing on my top and you think it's cool. I got something for that ass. So, January 19th, 2020, I went to, let's since you don't know how to respond to DMs, response to this story, motherfucker. So I went on my story. I'm like, all right, y'all, here's the deal. Here's the problem. This is what me and him got a problem at this point. I guess we do. Because if we didn't, you will be responding to my DMs. So, baby, I said, basically on my live, I'm like, all right, you owe me money. He was supposed to make me a rug. He didn't. You know, I had to simplify and all that stuff because I didn't feel like going live, but I just wanted people to know who this type of person is. So let everybody know, don't get no rugs from him because he lying. He don't make no rugs. He won't gonna make no rugs. And I don't even know if he got robbed for real or not. I mean, I don't believe anything at this point. Because the way you being unprofessional, because see, that's why everybody don't need a business. Some of y'all are not entrepreneurs. Y'all just start little shit. Y'all don't know how to communicate with your customers. You were supposed to give me a product. I paid you money for a product, baby. This ain't no little cash app. Oh, I gave somebody $100, flip it to $500,000. I don't do that. I ain't that damn dumb now. I really thought I was going to get a rug from a person who makes rugs. Like, it was simple as that. It wasn't no one of them, you know, we weren't doing that. And as a business owner or as a person that's trying to own a business or whatever he was trying to do, people just don't know how to have customer service, period. And then that's when he decides that he wants to respond to the DM now that I had to take it to my story, which I don't like that. I had to do all that just for you to respond back. Baby, bye, bitch. Toodaloo, ho. Move it. The fuck? To the left. Everything you own in the box to the left, bitch. That's how I was feeling. He proceeds to say, I'm just now seeing this. I ain't been in my DMs for real. Okay, yeah, mister, I ain't been in my DMs in 2 to 3 fucking months. Oh, okay. Bitch, you a motherfucking lie. You's a goddamn lie, bitch. I don't believe none of that shit, ho. You ain't no motherfucking celebrity. Bitch, you ain't no damn celebrity. You telling me you ain't getting no Instagram notifications on your DMs? Who the fuck is you? Who? What, you Obama, bitch? Bitch, you ain't Obama, ho. You ain't Beyonce, bitch. Fuck is you talking about? And YouTube probably gonna light my ass up for cussing as much as I am. But hell, this shit get me high all over again. I told you what was up. And yeah, I saved up and got my gun. But I don't got the materials yet. It ain't even my fault. Laughing emoji. But I'm gonna get your little $70 back. I don't need it. One thing that irritates me is when people owe you money and you coming at them about your money. Now it's, oh, I don't need your little money. I don't need your little $70. Obviously you did. Cause did you give it back? I still ain't seen that $70. And it's been almost 3 years. Okay, maybe not 3 years. That might have been okay. Yeah, I said almost. So y'all know what that means. Wide range. Take it how you take it, boom. But I don't like like that. I saved up for a gun. You telling me it take you 3 to 4 months to save up $70? You ain't no real hustler. You ain't got no hustle in you. I could have got $70 in 3 days. Fuck 3 days. I could have got $70 in a day. Like, what is you talking about? You ain't no real hustler. You think somebody playing with you. I'm not playing with you. I'm not the one to play with when it comes to money. I play with your mama. Play with your dog. Play with your girlfriend. Don't play with me. I ain't the one to play with. Until this day, that's why I don't fuck with him. And if I ever see him, bitch, you catching the fade, hoe. Square up, bitch. Cause you moving funny, bitch. And you ain't Jim Carrey, hoe. You ain't Dave Chappelle. You ain't Martin Lawrence, bitch. And you ain't Will Smith. Move correct when you come over here. So I said, now it's little. LOL, whatever. I know for a fact you've been on IG and you seen my messages, so stop the cap. Send me my money, all caps. Drop that cash out, baby. What you waiting on? The sooner you send it, the sooner I drop it. Since you don't need it. I don't like all of a sudden you big man and you got all the money in the world and you ain't worried about nothing. Oh, okay. Alright. I can't remember what he says, but I'm gonna put whatever he says over here. But after that exchange, I tried to, okay, so my girl Alexia, she said that one time like one of her clients wasn't trying to pay her for like a, you know, manicure or pedicure, something like that, because she does hand services, feet services, you know, things of that nature. She's in the nail business. So she said that she told the client that she was going to do like go to small claims court. So I tried to say that. Shit didn't work. He ain't paid me no motherfucking mind, y'all. And that was the last exchange that we had. He lame as fuck and he still has not gave me my money yet. And you know how people be like, that's why I don't support black businesses. I'm not that way. I'ma still support black businesses. But at the end of the day, he wasn't a business person. He wasn't a businessman. And he didn't know what the fuck he was doing. But I would like to shout out one person because the light is good. I would like to shout out K-Doll. This is my virtual internet friend. She hooked me up with the rug that I actually wanted, and I'ma also put, you know, what the rug looked like, and I'ma show y'all what rug that I was intending to get from Anthony Styles, AJ Styles, because I don't mind saying his name, and I hope you watch this video, and if you do, send me my damn money, because I still want it. I'ma want it 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 5 days from now, 5 hours. I'm gonna always want my money, period. But I'ma shout out my girl K-Doll because she made me the rug, and she didn't charge me full price because she knew what was going on. And y'all, she did her shit on this rug. I'm gonna link all of her social medias, all the extra stuff in the description and all the extra stuff, because that girl got me right. She didn't have to do that because number one, it was not her job. You want to know who the fuck I paid to do it? I paid Anthony Styles to do his fucking job. So I want to shout her out for doing her big one because she did it for me. And girl, I will always, always, always be thankful and grateful for you because you did. And my, y'all, my rug came out so fucking cute. But at the end of the day, to my channel, you can cuss on YouTube, but they probably gonna demonetize me. But oh the fuck well, I need people to know what the hell he did and how a bootlicker. Bye y'all, love y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. Subscribe, comment, like, do what you do. More videos coming.